Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next to. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of Euro USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So my dear friends, as we can see that there is not much movement after market opening this week. Market is mostly slow. If you look at the news, then you'll see that market is holding ground as investors brace for US inflation data. Yes, CPI is coming out tomorrow, so as a result, market is just silent. Market is mostly waiting for the inflation data because whenever a big news is about to come, market usually prefers to wait for the news so that it can get a direction. So probably we will get to see a proper direction. Hopefully we'll get to see a proper direction, proper good moves right after CPI later. Till then, we can expect a slow market, a silent market. Almost not only on Euro USD but almost on all the other pairs as well. If we look at a chart of DXY, then DXY showed some sort of recovery yesterday, but as we all know that right now technically and fundamentally the market is not very strong. DXY is still under pressure, so as a result I am not hoping for a big recovery before CPI. After CPI ending may happen, but right now DXY does not have the strength to go up, and as a result again if you may see DXY forming few red candles. The most important level for DXY is 100.80 before CPI. I think DXY will try its best to hold the level of 100.80 because after 100.80 we do not have any immediate support on the chart of US dollar index. And as the market is under the dominance of sellers for the last couple of weeks and months, so obviously there will be multiple resistances if market tries to recover also. As we have already discussed in our previous videos, if you're looking for detailed analysis, please watch the video that I uploaded on Saturday. Now let's talk about Euro USD. As you can see that the pair is standing at 1.0992. This is the current market price here. But one thing, or the most important thing that we need to observe here, is that during this time we have been discussing about the formation of the ascending triangle pattern. Market showed the ascending triangle pattern many weeks ago. We were hoping for a breakout, but every time market was failing, market failed to give us a proper breakout. Yes, and we could see that sellers were very strong around this area. But this time though market tried to recover, but market could not go up and market reversed. Listen to me carefully. Market reversed from the middle of the chart only. So in simple words, market form a lower high. So formation of a lower high is not a very positive sign for a chart. It means that the buyers in the market are slowly losing their strength. So the next low will be very important. If market breaks the next low, okay, if market breaks the next low or this low here or this low here, then it is a sign of a trend reversal. Okay, and in the coming days we may get to see a complete trend reversal on the chart of Euro USD. So next low will be very important for Euro USD because market has recently formed a lower high. Though we have ascending triangle pattern, but for the last couple of days things were not very positive. We could see a choppy market, and now we have a lower high on the chart. So what are the trading opportunities then? The first trading opportunity on the chart of gold, sorry, on the chart of Euro USD, okay, is around 1.0960 to 1.0945. This is the support level we have been talking for the last 2-3 days, and the support level is still very much valid. During the day, if market hits the level, observe the market on the 1 hour time frame. This is the Forex chart. Forex chart is very slow. So for confirmation for proper price rejection from below, just switch to 15 minutes or the hourly time frame and watch the market. If you see market taking support around this area, you can look for a buy position. And we have another support around 1.0920 to 1.0910. So these are the two support levels on the chart of Euro USD right now, and I'm hoping for a bounce from these two levels. If the volatility of the market remains like this, then you can definitely expect 1.0960, 1.0945, this level to work. In case market shows extreme selling due to some reasons or some news, unexpected news or surprising news, then you can expect this level to work. Otherwise, we have two support, and both the supports should work right now. And on the other hand, the resistance level, okay, the resistance level of euro USD is still the same, 1.1100. This is the strongest resistance on the chart of euro USD. Yesterday when I was recording the video, okay, market was somewhere around this level, and I remember that I told you guys that taking a sell in this level can be a little bit risky because market just open, okay, and we also had a risky selling opportunity because of Fibonacci. I still remember. So I told you guys that personally I will be avoiding, and really I did not take the sell position also. And if you have also avoided, then probably you have missed the opportunity just like me. But see, trading is not about taking trades on all the levels. Okay, the main thing is the discipline. Okay. So there will be 10-20 setups, but out of 10-20 setups, okay, you will only get 4 to 5 good trades. And sticking to the discipline is very, very important to be profitable in the long run. Okay, so, so today, again, market may face some resistance around this area, but sadly, the logical resistance is only around 1.1100 or 1.1090 level only. So I think that this is the only level where we should be looking for some selling pressure. But as of now, this level may work as resistance. But again, I'll say that taking a sell in this type of minor levels can still be risky. So I will be avoiding taking sell position around this area. So what are the trading opportunity that I see? This is the first trading opportunity that I see on the chart of Euro USD. But right now market is very slow. So before CPI, the chances are very less that market will be heading towards 1.1100 level. So as a result, you can look for some buying around this area or this area. So this is our second opportunity, and this is our third trading opportunity. As you can also see that we also have a trend line which is also acting as a dynamic support. In case during the day market takes support and bounces, you can consider taking a buy position around the trend line as well. The main reason of not considering trend line as a trading opportunity or not mentioning trend line as a trading opportunity is that, so see, if I zoom out the chart, you can see a choppy market. In choppy markets like this, okay, I personally avoid taking trades around the trend line. So as a result, I was not recommending. Okay, but in case you are an experienced trader, if you want to take a trade, if you see a bounce from the trend line, you can consider that also. Personally, I prefer to maintain a list of options, okay, and I trade only on those charts, okay, where I'm convinced enough. Right now, I'll be avoiding Euro USD altogether. My focus will be on gold before CPI. Okay. So this is my personal analysis. I can be wrong as well. So follow proper risk management. Bye bye. Take care, guys.